Hello my friends, welcome. This year is a big classic of do-it-yourself videos, and I will in this video show you how I'm rearranging my studio. This happens now because my car is for the moment at the garage, so I have more space for moving the things, and it also occurs after having renovated this workbench extensively, and this led to a number of videos which I highly recommend, where many different operations are shown. I also worked on the waterproofing of the roof. So what are the plans here? The plans are on first hand to move all these cleats and boards, and I will put them upstairs here on this wall. This will give me more light because sometimes it's generating shadow, as you could see, especially on my video about the English or French tool vocabulary. So this is the first thing. I will also put this floor here even. This is made out of earth, so it's a quite easy operation, but it gives a lot of comfort because here there are many hills, and this is not very nice in terms of comfort. Then I will be moving these two items, which are big or heavy, and this will lead to a video which shows how to move big or heavy things alone. And then we will put here some étagères, and for this we'll be using crémaillère, and the special feature of this video is that we'll be using all the boards and the planks we have around here, which are not in use. And last but not least, we will rearrange all this side here, which is a total chaos, and for this I'll be using cleats which are not in use. So all in all, this will cost me a couple of screws and a couple of butts for this part. Of course, the garage is very intense in subjects which are shooted here. As you can see here in this Capharnaum, you can see the bottom of a wonderful old light, which is in restoration. Then you see here behind the box for the transportation of the dog. You see here a bottle holder which will be renovated soon. This is quite heavy works. It's related to sanding and to the paint of metal. Then you have here the fleet of bicycles, many subjects about the bicycle, and to start with one about how to repair a flat tire. And here the electric wires. I made many subjects about electricity exactly in this very place. And then you see here the sanding machine, many subjects about the sanding, and last but not least, here you see the vacuum cleaner, and also behind you see a step ladder, a very nice video about the ladders as well. This garage is quite open. You can see that the vegetation is entering into the garage. These are very nice plants, by the way, totally wild and extremely energetic. So now that I'm doing the works, and also because we are at the end of the season, I will cut them. One little comment, careful when you're doing this, because here there are many spiders. Very nice animal, but I mean they can pinch you. And also be careful, because sometimes you will find, especially on the top, some nests of guêpes. So now we're out of season, so there's no danger, but in case you're doing this during the summer, be careful about this. So very nice harvest. There's still one to go. It's amazing how powerful these things are. I'm taking the opportunity for showing you how marvelous these plants are. You see the color is just fascinating. By the way, you did already see this plant in my video Walks in the province of Namur. Very nice video where besides this wild flora, you could also see a number of animals around and insects. Have a look at it. Nice harvesting. Now that we have relieved the garage of the vegetation, we'll pass to the first video, which consists in installing beam holders for putting all this, what is here blocking the light, on this wall. Let's go.